I will show you how you can find and use your USDC wallet address on Kraken. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So this process is very easy. Firstly, you will obviously need to log into your account, and once you are here, you just need to search for USDC right here at the top. So we can search it right here and click on it. So once you are here, we're gonna scroll down until you see your balance. So in my case, I have no USDC on this wallet, so I'm gonna click on deposit. So it's important to know that you can only deposit USDC using one of the supported networks, and if you try to use a different one, then you might lose your money. So if you are taking USDC, you need to make sure which network you want to use. So for example, let's say you want to get USDC on the Solana network, which is probably one of the most popular ones. We're just gonna click right here, and here you have some simple instructions. So it will basically say that you can only deposit this coin on the Solana network. There is a minimum deposit of 0.4 USDC. The processing time for this transaction will be less than a minute. And if you want to make sure that everything is correct, you can try sending smaller amounts first. So if you understand everything, you can click this button, and right here you will get your USDC deposit address. So basically this is your wallet address, and if you want to get money or take payments on USDC, you can send this QR code so they can scan it, or you can also send the deposit address right here. You can just copy it and send it to the person that needs to pay you, or the platform where you need to withdraw money, or whatever you want. And that's it. That's how easy you can find your USDC wallet address to take payments on USDC. I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.